Hi everyone, I am going to walk you through how to turn in an assignment within Canvas when I give you your own copy of something, which is called a Google assignment, which is embedded into Canvas. So we do this when I have anything that I want you to have your own copy for you to write on and then turn back into me, like our notes, for example, that we do for each photo shoot. Also for what I'm going to show you here, photo editing. So I'm going to click on it. And for this particular one that I clicked on, I have directions up top for you to read through. But most of the time, it'll just have this blue check mark, which means Google Assignments. And it'll have the document right there with your name already on it because I've created it so that it pushes it out to all of you to have your own copy that's already your name so that you can write on it. Otherwise, it would just be everybody typing on the same one, and we don't really want that. So you can open in Assignments, or you can click on the actual document. And you are now within what is Google Assignments. So in this particular example, I have two different documents. All of our note-taking assignments only have one document, of course. In the photo editing lessons, you'll have to pick between two options. So those are the two different options. Either way, if it was a note-taking assignment, you would click on it and you would start to fill in the information. Again, please note that your name is up at the top because it's your copy. Now, anything you write right here, I don't see until you actually submit and turn in the assignment. This is a copy that is now hanging out in your Google Drive. It has been saved to your Google Drive automatically, but again, I can't see everything in your drive. You have to actually turn it in to me. So let's just pretend that I'm going to write something on this. This is not a writing assignment, but okay. So I did all the information. I took the notes or whatever the assignment was. And then again, this is not actually turned in right now, but I would want to finish that entirely. And then I can go ahead and hit submit. Then it gets turned back into me. You would, of course, want to be done and take your time. You can also always add additional files if you want to, or additional links, because some people like to add it from a different way. But this is just like Google Classroom right here. So if you're familiar with Google Classroom, adding any additional content, whether it's link or a file format of any way, is right there. You can also create a new document right within it. So one way or another, you need to find the document or the one that is already on here to submit. But the way this is set up, which is awesome for Canvas, is it's already there for you. I already forced you to have your own copy. All you need to do is write on it and then hit submit. And right now it's saying, do you want to attach both of these? And you're like, yeah, because I'm pretending right now. It would verify what you have attached and what you're actually submitting in the gradebook for me in Canvas at that point. So that's how we do all of the Google assignments that are within Canvas. So you notice it says you're all set. That means that you actually added it. Notice it's right below. It would be the one document if you were taking notes, and it says you're all set, you did it. So make sure that you're actually submitting that way. I have people that are just sharing them to me. If it's hanging out in my email, it's really just in a mess. It's not going to work for grading purposes. And the way Canvas is set up is it automatically syncs every night with our grades. So anything I'm entering will be submitted that way. So hopefully that helps with Google assignments within Canvas.